2,000 years ago, the Romans built a harbor. It's still standing. This bridge, built in 1985, already falling apart. So, what happened? Modern concrete is everywhere. It's fast, cheap, and easy to pour. But here's the catch. It doesn't last. After 40 or 50 years, it cracks. Water sneaks in. The steel inside starts to rust. And, boom, spaghetti tower. Now, let's rewind a couple thousand years. The Romans made concrete too, but instead of steel, they used volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. And weirdly, it works better over time. When cracks form, they fill in, all by themselves. That's right, their concrete kind of heals. Scientists only figured this out recently. Meanwhile, in Japan, temples were built using no nails, just interlocking wooden joints, carved perfectly by hand. No screws, no glue, and they've survived earthquakes for centuries. Turns out, when buildings are allowed to move a little, they don't break. So why don't we build like that anymore? Because modern concrete is fast. You mix it, pour it, and walk away. Ancient methods were slow, precise, kind of beautiful. But in a world chasing deadlines, they got left behind. Now scientists are trying to bring those ideas back. Self-healing concrete, timber buildings that flex and survive. Turns out, some of the best ideas weren't new, just forgotten.